Welcome dear students for the first biology lecture of 11th standard. I welcome you all would-be scientists, doctors, researchers, engineers, pharmacists in my class. Due to COVID-19 or some norms, we cannot conduct classroom lectures. So through this YouTube lecture, I want to discuss the syllabus for biology subject of standard 11th. Our biology textbook covers 5 different units which contains 16 different topics. For this academic year 2020-21, some parts from these topics are deleted. So let's discuss these all topics in short. Our biology textbook covers 5 different units. The first unit is diversity in living world. Second, cell structure and function. Third unit is structural organization in organisms. Fourth unit is plant physiology, and the fifth one is animal physiology. We will see all 16 chapters from these 5 subunits. Let's discuss our first chapter, living world. From this chapter, we are going to study the point 1.1, basic principles of life. In this point, we are going to study different properties of living organisms. The deleted points from this chapter are 1.2, herbarium, 1.3, botanical gardens, 1.4, museum, 1.5, zoological parks, 1.6, biodiversity parks, and 1.7, key. Our second chapter is systematics of living organisms. From this chapter, we are going to study point 2.13, salient features of 5 kingdoms. In this point, we will study salient features of kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, as well as kingdom Animalia. And next point is point 2.14, acellular organisms. In this point, we will study viruses and viroids. The deleted points from this chapter are 2.1, systematics, 2.2, classification, 2.3, 3 domains of life, 2.4, chemotaxonomy, 2.5, numerical taxonomy, 2.6, cladogram, 2.7, phylogeny, 2.8, DNA barcoding, 2.9, taxonomic categories, 2.10, taxonomic hierarchy, 2.11, units of classification, and 2.12, nomenclature. Our third chapter is kingdom Plantae. From this chapter, we have to study different characters of cryptogams and phanerogams. In this chapter, the deleted point is 3.3, B, angiospermy. Our fourth chapter is kingdom Animalia. There is no deleted part from this chapter. In this topic, we are going to study different criteria for classification as well as classification of non-chordates and chordates. This topic is very important for NEET exam. Every year, at least 3 to 4 questions are from this chapter. Next, we will discuss chapter number 5, cell structure and organization. Nothing is deleted from this topic. In this topic, we are going to study structure of different kinds of cells, that is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Our next chapter is chapter number 6, biomolecules. Nothing is deleted from this topic. In this chapter, we are going to study different biomolecules in the cells, that is carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, enzymes, etc. Also, we are going to study mechanism of enzyme action and factors affecting on enzyme action. Our Next chapter is chapter number 7, cell division. Nothing is deleted from this topic also. In this chapter, we are going to study cell cycle, types of cell division like amitosis, mitosis as well as meiosis. Next, chapter number 8, plant tissues and anatomy. So many points are deleted from this chapter. The deleted points are 8.1 tissue, 8.2 meristematic tissue, 8.3 permanent tissue, 8.4 tissue system, 8.5 secondary growth in plants, 8.6 wood, 8.7 cork cambium and secondary growth, 8.8 anatomy of root, stem and leaf. Next, chapter number 9, morphology of flowering plants. From this chapter, we are going to study point 9.3, study of some important families, Solanaceae. From this chapter, the deleted points are point 9.1, angiosperm, 9.2, morphology. From point 9.2, morphology of root, stem, leaf, fruit and seeds, all parts are deleted. And from point 9.3, the family Fabaceae is also deleted. Next chapter, chapter number 10, animal tissues. From this chapter, nothing is deleted. In this chapter, we are going to study epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue as well as nervous tissue. Our next chapter is chapter 11, study of animal type cockroach. From this chapter, we are going to study points 11.1 habit and habitat, 11.2 systematic position, 11.11 interactions with mankind, control measures. The deleted points from this chapter are point 11.3 external morphology, 11.4 body cavity, 11.5 digestive system of cockroach, 11.6 circulatory or blood vascular system, 11.7 respiratory or tracheal system, 11.8 excretory system, 11.9 nervous system and 11.10 reproductive system. Our next chapter is chapter number 12, photosynthesis. Nothing is deleted from this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to study structure of chloroplast, nature of light, mechanism of photosynthesis, light reaction, photophosphorylation. In this photophosphorylation, we are going to study cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation, then dark reaction, photorespiration, Kranz anatomy, C4 pathway and CAM pathway. Next chapter is chapter number 13, respiration and energy transfer. Nothing is deleted from this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to study formation of ATP, anaerobic respiration, glycolysis, aerobic respiration, Krebs cycle, ETS, that is electron transport system, and utility of stepwise oxidation. Next, chapter number 14, human nutrition. From this chapter, the deleted points are point 14.1, human digestive system, 14.2, digestive glands, 14.3, physiology of digestion, 14.4, absorption and assimilation, 14.5, nutritional disorders and diseases of digestive system. Our next chapter is chapter number 15, excretion and osmoregulation. Nothing is deleted from this chapter. So, in this chapter, we are going to study excretion and excretory products, excretory system in human beings, urine formation, composition of urine, role of other organs in excretion, disorders and diseases like kidney stones, uremia. Here we have to also study the process of hemodialysis. Our next chapter is, that is last chapter, skeleton and movement. From this chapter we are going to study the points 16.2, location and structure of skeletal muscles, 16.3, working of skeletal muscles, 16.4, mechanism of muscle contraction, 16.6, relaxation of muscle fibers, 16.7, properties of muscles on electrical stimulation, and the deleted points from this chapter are point 16.1, movements and locomotion, 16.8, skeletal system, 16.9, group of skeleton, 16.10, types of joints, 16.11, disorders related to muscles, and 16.12, disorders related to bones. So, in this way, we have focused on the biology syllabus of standard 11 for the academic year 2020-21. This syllabus is also beneficial for NEET examination. From NEET examination 2020, out of 90 questions, 30 questions were from this present syllabus. So, the deep study of this syllabus is very important. I hope that all of you will study in deep. All the best. Thank you.